How to silence group text on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can silence your group text on iPhone. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. First step that you will need to take is open up your Messages app. And after you are on your Messages app, what you'll need to do is find the group chat that you want to mute or you want to silence. So this is the one that I want. So after you find that, simply swipe left on that group chat. After you do that, you'll find the mute option. Tap on mute. And after you tap on mute, the mute icon will appear right besides the group. And that's how you silence group text on iPhone. And that's all for today's video as well. It was that simple. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.